10 low-cost and easy online business ideas that make money 2024. In the ever-evolving landscape of the digital world, the year 2024 stands as a beacon of new opportunities, especially in the realm of online businesses. With the internet becoming more accessible and technology advancing at a lightning-fast pace, the dream of starting an online business is not just a distant fantasy, but a feasible reality for many. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent looking to contribute to your family's income, a student aiming to pay off loans, or someone yearning to escape the 9-to-5 grind, the internet offers a goldmine of opportunities. Blogging. Blogging in 2024 remains a vibrant and accessible avenue for online entrepreneurship. It starts with selecting a niche that resonates with your interests and expertise, such as travel, technology, cooking, or personal development. The success of a blog hinges on creating unique, engaging content that offers value to your readers. Regularly updating your blog with informative and captivating posts helps in building a loyal audience. Monetizing your blog can be achieved through various methods. Affiliate marketing is a popular choice, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services relevant to your niche. Additionally, incorporating advertisements through platforms like Google AdSense can generate revenue based on your blog's traffic. For those with a knack for creating educational content, selling digital products like ebooks or online courses can be a profitable venture. Dropshipping. Dropshipping in 2024 is an attractive business model for those looking to enter the e-commerce space without a hefty investment. It involves setting up an online store where you sell products directly to customers, but without holding any inventory. When a sale is made, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. This model significantly reduces the risk and cost associated with traditional retail. To succeed in dropshipping, identifying the right niche and products is crucial. Market research and trend analysis can help in selecting products that are in demand yet not oversaturated in the market. Building a user-friendly website, optimizing for search engines, and employing effective digital marketing strategies are key to attracting and retaining customers. While dropshipping is competitive, it offers a flexible and low-cost entry into the world of online sales. Online courses and coaching. The digital era has made education more accessible, and in 2024, creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services can be highly profitable. If you have expertise in a particular field, be it digital marketing, programming, or even a hobby like photography, you can monetize this knowledge. Online courses can range from simple PDF guides to comprehensive video tutorials. The success of this business idea lies in understanding your audience's needs and creating content that addresses those needs effectively. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy can be used to host and sell your courses, reaching a global audience. For a more personalized approach, offering one-on-one coaching or group workshops can attract clients willing to pay a premium for tailored guidance. Marketing your courses through social media and content marketing can significantly boost your visibility and sales. Freelancing. Freelancing has become a cornerstone of the gig economy in 2024. Professionals from various fields, such as writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing, can offer their services on a project-by-project basis. This model offers the flexibility to work on your terms and choose projects that align with your skills and interests. To start a freelancing career, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer can be valuable for finding initial projects. Building a strong portfolio that showcases your best work is crucial for attracting clients. Networking and word-of-mouth referrals are also powerful tools for expanding your client base. Effective time management and delivering high-quality work consistently are key to sustaining and growing a successful freelancing business. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing in 2024 remains a popular method for earning income online. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This business model is ideal for those who have a strong online presence, whether through a blog, social media channels, or a YouTube channel. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing products that align with your audience's interests and establishing a trustworthy relationship with your followers. Providing honest reviews and valuable content around the products can enhance credibility and lead to more conversions. Patience and persistence are essential, as building a significant income through affiliate marketing takes time and consistent effort. Podcasting. Podcasting has seen a surge in popularity and continues to be a lucrative online business idea in 2024. It offers a platform to share your expertise, stories, or entertain an audience on a specific topic. The appeal of podcasts lies in their convenience and accessibility, allowing people to listen while commuting, exercising, or relaxing. To start a podcast, you need a good quality microphone, basic editing skills, and a hosting platform to publish your episodes. Monetizing a podcast can be done through sponsorships, advertising, or even by offering premium content for a fee. Building an audience takes time, but with consistent content that resonates with listeners, a podcast can become a profitable online business. Social media management. Social media management is a vital aspect of digital marketing in 2024. With businesses striving to establish a robust online presence, the demand for skilled social media managers is high. This role involves creating and managing content across social media platforms, engaging with the audience, and running advertising campaigns. Starting as a social media manager requires an understanding of different social media platforms and how to leverage them for business growth. Building a portfolio by managing accounts for small businesses or local organizations can be a great start. As you gain experience and results, you can expand your client base and potentially start your own social media management agency. Graphic design services. Graphic design remains an evergreen field in the digital world. In 2024, the demand for high-quality visual content, from logos and branding materials to social media graphics and website design, is higher than ever. If you have a talent for design and a good grasp of design tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, this can be a lucrative online business. Building a portfolio website to showcase your work is crucial for attracting clients. Freelance platforms can provide initial opportunities, but as you grow, client referrals and your online presence will become vital sources of new business. Keeping up with the latest design trends and continuously improving your skills is essential in this rapidly evolving field. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is a rapidly growing field in 2024, catering to businesses and entrepreneurs needing help with administrative tasks, scheduling, email management, and other operational aspects. This role is perfect for individuals with strong organizational skills and a knack for multitasking. Starting as a virtual assistant requires minimal investment. You can begin by offering services on freelance platforms or reaching out to small businesses directly. As you build your reputation, you can specialize in specific industries or services, allowing you to charge higher rates for your expertise. Content creation for YouTube. YouTube remains a dominant platform in 2024, and creating content for this platform can be a highly profitable online business. Whether it's educational content, entertainment, reviews, or vlogs, the opportunities are vast. Success on YouTube relies heavily on creating engaging, high-quality videos that capture and retain the audience's attention. To monetize a YouTube channel, you can rely on ad revenue, sponsorships, and even direct sales of products or services. Consistently uploading content, understanding your audience, and using YouTube's analytics tools to refine your strategy are key components of a successful YouTube career. Building a large and engaged subscriber base takes time, but the potential earnings and impact are significant. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.